Hi and welcome to a Kirby Maths video all about finding the highest common factor. So the highest common factor is the largest number, which is a factor of both of the numbers that are given. We are going to find the highest common factor, which is abbreviated to HCF, of 72 and 108, which means we want to find the biggest number that goes exactly into 72 and also goes exactly into 108. So to do that, we need to use a factor tree. We're going to do a factor tree for 72 and a factor tree for 108. If we start off with 72, and remember we always start off with our finding prime factors by asking ourselves, is it an even number and does 2 go into it? Yes, it does. So 72 is 2 times 36. 2 is a prime number. It only has 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So we circle that, and that is where that part of the tree stops. Then we look at the 36. Is that an even number? Yes, it is. So 2 goes into that, and that is 2 times 18. 2 goes into 18, 9 times. 9 is not an even number, so we use the next prime number, and the next prime number is 3. 3's go into 9 3 times, and that is the end of our factor tree for 72. We do a factor tree for 108, which is 2 times 54, 2 times 27. That's not even, so we try 3. 3 times 9, and then carry on with the 3. 3 times 3. And once we have our two factor trees, we then draw 2 interlocking circles because we've got 2 numbers, and that is called a Venn diagram. This one is going to be for 72, and this one is going to be for 108. If you had 3 numbers you were finding the highest common factor of, you would draw a third circle, again interlocking, but we've just got 2 today. And we cross off the numbers that are in both of these factor trees. Starting at the top, we have a 2 and a 2, so we put one of those 2's in there, only one. Then we have another pair of 2's, so we put another 2 in there. We don't have any more pairs of 2's, so then we look and see if we've got a pair of 3's. We have got a 3 in that one and a 3 in that one, so we put a 3 there. And finally we've got a 3 in this one and a 3 in this one, so another 3 goes there. We are left with a 2 on its own in the 72, so that goes in this region here. And we are also left with a 3 that's not been crossed out for the 108, so that goes there. Now to find our highest common factor, we look in the overlap here, highest common factor, and we multiply those numbers in the overlap together. So the highest common factor is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which is 36. So 36 is the largest number that goes into 72 and also goes into 108. It is the highest common factor of those 2 numbers. Thank you for watching.